Hiya, this is Mark from Starsky's Hutchers and Garden Archers, just showing you another one of my indoor dog kennels that I've finished today. This item is going to the very north of England. It's a bespoke item what the customers asked me to make. Wanted the hinges to be on the left of the door. I've also boarded this side in, and this side is aluminium verticals. Got my usual wipeable floor and a top made out of boards for this one. That's the side which is match board. Going to be delivering it personally on Thursday morning. Let's hope they like it. Thanks for watching.